golden marinated chicken pieces in a creamy, buttery, rich curry sauce. The ultimate comfort food. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm going to show you how I make my Indian butter chicken recipe. Stay tuned. You will see butter chicken made many different ways. This is my version, and I must say it is flavor-packed and delicious. It is very much similar to the British counterpart tikka masala, and I will leave a link to my tikka masala recipe here and also in the description box below. When cooking Indian cuisine, many of the recipes call for spices of Garam Masala and red chili powder. These are the brands that I use, and I obtain these from our local Indian Asian market. You can also find them on Amazon. The red chili powder adds a lot of color and flavor with a mild kick of heat. You can also get the chili powder in several degrees of hotness. And this is the Garam Masala, and this is a blend of spices that is very common in the Indian cuisine. It is a blend of fennel seeds, bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, and much more. It definitely has a distinct flavor. I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless, cubed chicken thighs. I'm adding in a half a teaspoon of kosher salt and the juice of 1 lemon, giving the chicken a good toss. Now I'm adding in 3/4 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons each of minced garlic and minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala, giving everything a good thorough mix and letting that marinate for 2 hours or even overnight is better. You can lightly fry the chicken in a skillet with a little oil, or tonight I'm baking at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes, and then placing under the broiler for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges start to char or brown. And now for the curry sauce. Of course we have to start with butter. I have a 1/4 cup of butter that I'm melting on medium heat, and I'm adding in 1 large finely diced onion. Just like in the tikka masala, the onion really plays a big part in building that wonderful curry flavor. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. I'm adding in a good bit of minced garlic and ginger. I have 4 cloves of minced garlic and about 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. Cooking and stirring for another minute. That is such a wonderful smell. And these are the aromatic spices I will be adding. I have a 1/4 teaspoon each of kosher salt and black pepper, 2 dark cardamom seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon each of turmeric and coriander powder. Adding everything to the pan, cooking and stirring for about a minute to wake up those flavors. Pouring in 20 ounces of diced tomatoes with the juices. Stirring, bringing up to a light simmer and cooking for 5 minutes. Adding in 1 cup of water, stirring, bringing back up to a light simmer, covering and cooking for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and it's smelling so good. I'm fishing out the bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and cardamom. To make the butter chicken extra creamy, I have 1 cup of cream. Stirring to incorporate, and then I'm using my hand mixer to break up the tomatoes and make the sauce thick and creamy. You can also use your blender for this step. Just be careful, it is hot. And it wouldn't be butter chicken without more butter. I have 2 more tablespoons of unsalted butter that I'm adding and melting into the sauce. I'm adding in all the chicken into that flavorful curry sauce we just made and giving it a good stir. Cooking for another couple minutes to heat the chicken through. Serving tonight with some steamed basmati rice. Garnishing with a little chopped cilantro or parsley and chopped green onions. The creamy buttery curry sauce is a burst of flavor in your mouth, so rich and comforting. The chicken is nice and tender. I hope you give my easy Indian butter chicken recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!